going to just play with Sadie for just a minute. Okay.
Elsa, please share.
Can we share? Look at, she wants to see your mooch. Can you go get her another one then?
Yeah.
Okay, let me have mooch until you go get her another one. We'll hang on to mooch here. Oh. You can go over me? There you go, good girl.
No obstacles, those are good for you.
There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Here. Go. Now stand. She won't stand unless she's hanging on to something. That's you.
Straighten those legs.
Okay, I'll go over here and stand up, but I'm not going to stand with you. Oh God, you look like your old man. Look at what I got away with. Doesn't she?
Oh my goodness.
Go get him. Go get him, girl. Go get him. Go get him.
Sadie.
Like she's a dog.
Sadie. Sadie, come get this. No.
That's quite the little routine you have there. Look at me. Look at me. That face was hysterical.
Clap, clap.
What you got? You got a potty? They're getting washed right now. Okay?
They're in the laundry.
You can have them in a minute.
Oh,
Of course.
Daddy,
Hey.
look what you're missing.
Oh.
Can I go get them?
They're in the washing machine. Well, you can help put them in the dryer when they're done. Remember how we do that?
I want them.
Okay.